Prva obvestila o strelih je policija v kalifornijskem mestu San Bruno prejela ob 12:46 po lokalnem času. Dispečerji so na kraj dogodka nemudoma poslali policijske in reševalne enote.
San Bruno police arrived on scene at 12:48 and immediately began a search for a possible shooter or suspect. Upon arrival, officers encountered numerous employees fleeing from the building. It was very chaotic, as you can imagine. We did encounter one victim with an apparent gunshot wound towards the front of the business as we arrived.
Streljala je 39-letna Nasim Agdan, policija pa je že izključila možnost terorističnega napada. Med svojim strelskim pohodom na sedežu podjetja YouTube, kjer je zaposlenih okoli 1700 ljudi, je ranila 3 osebe in si na koncu sodila sama.
We transported 4 people to the hospital. One of those that were transported had a non-gunshot related injury, so they were fleeing from the scene, and I believe they twisted or broke their ankle, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know that for a fact, but there were 3 gunshot injuries that were transported to the hospital in addition to our suspect, who we believe suffered from a self-inflicted shot.
Policija je sprva domnevala, da bi lahko bil povod za streljanje družinski spor, trenutno pa preiskuje tudi domnevne zamere napadalke do YouTuba. Ta je spletni portal večkrat obtožila, da cenzurira njen kanal in ji onemogoča zaslužek.
I'm being discriminated and filtered on YouTube, and I'm not the only one. So recently they also attacked my Persian channel, Nasim Sabs. And if you go and check my videos, you see that my new videos hardly get views, and my old videos that used to get many views stopped getting views. So this is because I'm being filtered.
Odločitev 39-letne napadalke, da svoje nezadovoljstvo nad ponudnikom spletnih videovsebin izrazi z nasiljem, je presenetila tudi njene sosede. Ti zagotavljajo, da je bila Nasim Agdan tiha oseba, njena družina pa zelo priljubljena.
No, she was just quiet. They're real quiet people. It's sad. It's very sad. I guess you never know what lives next door, right? I feel for all of them. They're great. They're great people.
Podjetje YouTube je spletne vsebine pokojne napadalke že odstranilo. Podobno sta ukrepala tudi Facebook in Instagram.